Welcome back to my channel, guys. I have some new feature is coming up and on the Gmail and make them the life easier. I know you guys have a lot of the issue with the garbage email is coming to your Gmail and you don't want it to keep coming and bothering you, and you're getting the notification about that, and you want it to the easy completely remove on your Gmail. Gmail has turned on the one new feature. It's called the manage subscriptions. If you see that on the left side, I have the manage subscriptions. If I click on this manage subscriptions, you'll see that all the platform or all the social media marketings I have on the subscription emails. That means it's send me the emails. If you see that here, it say that the 10 or fewer emails recently. That means I am receiving the 10 or more than the 10 or less than the 10 emails every month, every week, or it doesn't matter. But I know these are the lot of the emails and bothering exactly me personally. I don't want it to get in the lot of the marketing email to my inbox, and I don't want it. And this feature on the Gmail is make them the life too much easier. Just easy way you can able to manage this one. You see that all the platform, all the companies here, name is here. For example, Dropbox. This is the Dropbox here, and you see that the unsubscribe buttons here. When you click on that one, it's asking to the unsubscribe. That means it's easy. You see that on the left, on the bottom, you see that unsubscribe from the mailing list. That means I am never get the emails from the Dropbox. So I'm going to the other one, Sans Cyberens, unsubscribes. You see that? Done. And YouTube, I'm go to the unsubscribe. When you go to the YouTube, it show that to go to the website. Some of them the website need to be go to the inside the website to the unsubscribe, but is not the more than the 20% of the emails. It's easy. When you go to the unsubscribes, it's easy direct you to the section or settings on this website or any website you wanted to the subscribes. It's easy then go to each website and find the unsubscribe section for the email marketing. If you liked my video, and please share this video for your friends to make them much easier for your friends also as well. And please do not forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much. See you guys on the next video. Have a wonderful day, and I hope so this video is help you guys as well. Thank you. Bye bye.